Most people get this wrong. They think all payment platforms are the same. But the surprising truth about Checkout.com is that it's built for high-volume global businesses that need fast, flexible, and reliable payment processing. Checkout.com offers a unified API that supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards, digital wallets, and local payment options across the world. This makes it ideal for businesses expanding internationally or serving diverse customer bases. Transaction speeds are fast, and settlement times are competitive compared to traditional gateways. One standout feature is the Analytics dashboard. Checkout.com provides real-time insights into transactions, revenue trends, and payment failures. This transparency helps businesses optimize payment flows and reduce cart abandonment. Security is also robust, with PCI DSS compliance, tokenization, and fraud detection tools included. The surprising truth is that while Checkout.com is powerful, it's more suitable for businesses with moderate to high transaction volumes. Small businesses or startups with low volume might find the platform overwhelming or more expensive than simpler alternatives. In conclusion, Checkout.com is perfect for global businesses looking for flexible, secure, and data-rich payment solutions. It combines speed, reliability, and analytics, making it a solid choice for merchants who need more than just a basic payment gateway. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews of payment platforms and tips to choose the right solution for your business.